welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I wanted to give you an idea for a fall themed bridal shower. I was looking on Google and I found this theme called Fall in Love. So I was like, oh yeah, I definitely want to try that out. So let me show you my vision. Let me show you the design that I created for this backdrop in Canva, okay? So this is how I wanted the backdrop to come out. Now what you're gonna see in this video is you're gonna see me setting everything up and you're gonna see how it really turns out, okay? So make sure you let me know in the comments, what do you think? Now, before I get into the setup, I just wanna make one announcement. So as you guys know, I have online courses that will help you start your own decorating business. Now, I have a bundle that includes all of my online courses, and then I have individual online courses, okay? I wanted to make an update and let you know that all of my individual online courses are going away. So as of October 1st, you'll only be able to purchase my bundle, and that has all of my online courses in it. So if you're interested in my individual classes, because of course those are going to be less expensive, make sure you check the description of this video. I'm going to put the link to my online course platform in there. So if you're interested in those online courses, just know that I do have them marked down 40%. So you will get 40% off if you purchase the classes before tomorrow. All right? So let's get started. right, guys, so now that the balloons are up, let me show you. I have this box of eucalyptus that I saved. I actually used this to decorate a wedding earlier this summer. So I saved it and now it's all dried out. And I'm going to add this to the balloons, okay? So let me just pick up one so that you could see. So you see the leaves? They're dried out. And I think that's perfect for a fall look, okay? So don't worry if you don't have dried out eucalyptus. You could just use artificial eucalyptus. I just saved this. So now I'm going to add these to the balloons and then start on the other backdrop. idea for a fall in love bridal shower backdrop. Honestly, guys, I wish I had more space in my studio because I would have added so much more decorations. But I only have a limited amount of space in here. So definitely let me know in the comments, what did you think about this backdrop? What did you think about these colors, okay? Now, before I close out this video, I just want to take a couple of minutes to address a question that I get all of the time when it comes to these pedestals and this wooden backdrop. So I always get asked, why do I paint my pedestals? Why do I paint this wooden backdrop? How come I just don't purchase those spandex covers that you can just put over them? Guys, everything that I do is customized. I like to customize my colors. I want my colors to match the exact shade of my balloons, right? And a lot of times with those spandex covers, especially the ones for the pedestals, they only come in certain colors, right? It's a very limited color selection for those. Also, I cannot put a cover on this wooden backdrop because the stand is in the back of it. That's how it actually stands up on its own. There's a wooden part that's in the back of my backdrop that I pull out, and that's what helps it to stand upright. But I just wanted to let you guys know that because I get that question all of the time. It is a personal preference for me that I paint. I paint my pedestals, I paint my wooden backdrops because I like for everything to be the exact custom color that I need for my decorations, okay? Now, if you guys have any questions on any of the materials that I use, make sure you check the description of this video. I'm going to put the links for all of that in the description. If you have any other questions, please let me know, and I'll see you in my next video.